September, the Sissies headed south to play some golf and have fun acting out. Not without some hesitation, James made our reservations. He chose the spot well for all of us to raise a little hell. It's not about our final score. We came for fun and lore, friends and laughs and so much more. That's what we're golfing for. All weekend long we ate like kings. The cooking was easy as we all chipped in. Andy Sauerkraut and Bratwurst went well with beer. In breakfast, nobody sneered as Mike's tasty kabobs quickly disappeared. Werner cooked sausage, Vern flipped pancakes and served heavenly hash, while Randy brewed strong coffee, a real kick in the ass. The dynamic duo, Duane and Brian, served up bacon and eggs. Super tasty, no denying. And David, who not to be outdone, whipped up some eggs with sausage all wrapped in a bun. It's not about our final score. We came for fun and lore, friends and laughs and so much more. That's what we're golfing for. Drinks around the campfire, we're all telling jokes when our buddy Vern took his first ever toke. For a long time he stared at a cloud in the sky and excitedly told us how this cloud did not drift by like the others he'd seen in days of yore, and how it made him uneasy, and he swore he would smoke a weed no more. First cloud fixed in the moonlit sky was but a tree branch caught in the light, and so with rain playing tunes that kept us grooving, we roared with laughter at first meteorological doing. It's not about our final score. We came for fun and lore, friends and laughs and so much more. That's what we're golfing for. James, Frank, and Vern spent the nights in a cabin so small how they all fit was hard to imagine. The air filled with loud snoring and thick from the farting. Frank heads to the biffy to get some relief. James takes notice and a watch he keeps. A half hour passes and he is still MIA. James starts to worry, is Frank okay? James recalled wet floors, toilet stalls arranged too tightly. Did Frank slip and fall, now jammed up in his nightie? James hurried to the can, full of fright, to rescue Frank from his awful plight. But Frank's not stuck between toilet and wall. At Frank's age it just takes longer, damn you all! It's not about our final score. We came for fun and lore, friends and laughs and so much more. That's what we're golfing for. We golfed both days under white blue skies, rolling greens and beautiful sights. Some shots we made, others we missed, enjoying it all as the sun our faces kissed. On the second day it was windy, not just a breeze. Gale force winds bending the flags to 90 degrees. It blew our golf balls clear off the greens, but playing best ball format was keeping us keen. We rose to the challenge and finished the round bold, knowing full well that great stories be told. It's not about our final score. We came for fun and lore, friends and laughs and so much more. That's what we're golfing for. It's not about our final score. We came for fun and lore, friends and laughs and so much more. That's what we're golfing for.